All right, well, you guys want to talk about barn finds? This is in my friend's barn. There's the hay. There's it's a 70 Charger RT.
Yeah,
I didn't know it was a 70 RT.
the right gear.
71 Charger S, right, it's an SE.
SE, 383 4-speed.
69 Roadrunner.
383 4-speed.
That's 383. Wait, is that GTO?
No.
Le Mans?
442.
Oh, it's a 442. That's all. That Roadrunner, do you see it's collapsing above the Roadrunner?
It's been like that for 40 years.
Oh,
It's been on for a long time.
70 Charger RT.
That's all original paint.
All original paint. Holy shnikes. All right, visiting some friends on my way to Raleigh, checking out his super secret Mopar collection. This isn't a GTX, but that's an original 6.7 GTX Fender. And the car is in that storage compartment, or not in this storage compartment, but there's a 6.7 GTX that we can't even get to because it's buried. There's a nice creek rolling down there. Here we go. Here's a barn cat for you. You know, me being a cat guy. Hey, Jet. He's currently cooling off underneath the 66 Chrysler 300 four-door that my friend's working on. This trip to visit my friends out in Indiana was a lot of fun. It was a very unique opportunity to see their property while it's on my way to Raleigh, North Carolina. And they had always told me to stop by. The timing just never worked out, that they would be home when I was coming by, but it did this one, and I was very happy to spend a few hours talking and catching up and seeing the cool cars they had at their farm, including darts, dusters. I mean, you saw the GTXs and satellites, but the barn ones were the ones that really, lit my imagination, because it doesn't get as legit as this. I mean, the barn, I think, was 100 years old, and they had stuff stuffed in there for a decade or two. I know it'd been there for a while. I knew most of them ran at one point. I think the 442 just needed brakes and a tune-up. I know that was an ongoing point of contention and an ongoing joke, that the 442 did not need a lot of work to get up and out. And same with the other cars. I mean, you can see the 70 Charger RT. It was in rough shape. It had been in there for who knows how long. The front fender had been in an accident, but everything was there. The engine was there, transmission was there. It's a real, 440 car, so it didn't need that much to get going. Unfortunately, when you have so many projects, and the owner, he does work on his cars. He legitimately has a shop that he works out of in his free time, and he does drag racing, and they do different tours, and they travel. They also have a bunch of cool cats. Well, I don't know about anymore, but they had a bunch of cool cats. But like I said in the video, you'll see here, I did the power tour with them in 2009. They were such gracious people, and I'm very fortunate to call them my friends, to say the least. Hey everyone, hope you enjoyed that video from my friend's property. I had only ever been to their house once in all of our years of friendship, and I've known them since 2009. They actually had the very first B5 Blue twin to my car, the RT Classic, and they had it back on the 2009 Hot Rod Power Tour. So we've had a long, fun friendship, to say the least. And he actually worked on his cars, so you might see him out and about. But I hope you enjoyed the video. I just got back the other day from the Muscle Cars at the Strip and the Dodge Last Call event. You can see me in a whole bunch of the videos at both of the events, and they were both a lot of fun. If you have the opportunity, I definitely recommend going to Muscle Cars at the Strip. I mean, being just a few minutes away from downtown Las Vegas, I hadn't been that far west in a long time, and I haven't been to Vegas in 20 years. So it was a lot of fun to go check it out, and definitely recommend it. I put a whole bunch of pictures in my social media from the event, and I'm going to be posting more here probably in the next week. So until I get everything covered, and I hope to go back in the future. But if you saw me there, it was a pleasure to meet you guys. Gave away a whole bunch of my business card, postcard thingies, and it was a lot of fun. The next car show will be the Jefferson Car Show in Jefferson, Wisconsin. I'll actually have a booth in building 2. I'm gonna have a little booth, a little sign. I'll have books there, and I'll have the postcards. So come see me. If you have any comments or questions, of course, leave them in the comments below or on any of my social media, which is in the description. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next Monday. A lot of cool stuff coming up. I got a big series coming out with a hidden Mopar world, to say the least. So stay safe, and I'll see you all soon. Okay, and I want to do a little update on my garage situation. One of my light fixtures died, and I couldn't even bring it back. Plus, it wasn't worth it, so I bought 2 new LED fixtures, and I'm going to install them as soon as it gets above freezing, because right now it's about 32 degrees here in Chicago, and we had snow this morning and snow yesterday, so I'll keep you all updated. And I got a few more pieces. A few more pieces for the 71, and I'll probably get my door panel situation sorted out here. And I got the blue car back. Came back from my friend's shop with a clean bill of health. So, see you all soon.